replacing the front brake pads and rotors on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Here's the Brembos. Oh, they look horrible. Go ahead and remove our wheel. Show you our jacking points. At the front, there's an arrow that indicates the area underneath that it needs to go. Remove this 13mm that's right here in the middle. Knock out these dowel pins. Take that out. If you wanted to use it to do the bottom. Okay, push that out all the way. Okay, it's out. Same dowel. Push this out. Leave. Get your flathead. We're gonna use it to get in between the brake pads and compress the pistons. Wiggle these out. Whew. Look at that. It's a 5/8. 5/8 is the one. Whew. Right. That's out. That's fine. Over here, there's like a rubber gasket grommet thing. Needs to come out. Flathead. Okay, slowly roll it out. We're gonna wash this area too of all the rust. So we're gonna wash that too. We're gonna reuse it. Beautiful. Make sure it sits nice. Let's go from the bottom so you can see what's going on. And guide it to the top. Let's go ahead and throw our caliper on. Line this one up too. In. Okay, now switch to our bigger hole. Body weight. There you go. Line up the holes as you can. Next, your other one. Do your sliders too. Right, make sure it's kind of right. Oh, look, see. That's a lot easier. Boom. Now, let's get our new pins. Remember, the spiky boys actually go on the other side. Let's see. First one helps align everything else. So let's go. Okay, so next, help align it. Where is our... Ooh. Keep everything kind of loosey-goosey a bit. Next, this is why we use the bottom one first. Use our next dowel. Put it down. Oh. Smaller hammer. There it is. Right, and back. 13 mil. Damn. Alright, so here is our new powerstop Z26 Brembo brake kit, I guess. Look at that. Beautiful. Phenomenal. Alright, great. It's way gooder. Here's the brakes. We just did the driver's side. Now here we have, we're gonna do the passenger side brakes. Okay, so now we're replacing them with powerstop Z26 brake kit. We bought it all at once, run through the tools. We have our stuff to take off the wheel. Got our wheel lock, 13mm socket on a 3/8 ratchet. This is for the center slide. There you go. Then we have our metal dowel to hammer out, brake dowels. Take those out. After those are out, we will remove the caliper, okay, with a 5/8 multi-point star socket. After that, we're gonna go bed the brakes. So we're gonna jack the Jeep up, remove the wheel, okay. After that, we're gonna remove the 13mm bolt behind the caliper, okay, and then remove that center pin, the middle pin. After that, we're gonna move the 2 smaller pins. Also, we need a flathead screwdriver to compress the caliper pistons. Oh yeah, once we also have a sledgehammer, okay, to take that rusted rotor out. But before we do that, there's a rubber grommet in the center at the wheel bearing area. We gotta take that out and clean it. And now it is time to bed the brakes. So, because we compressed the calipers, the caliper pistons, always, okay, pump your brakes again until they're hard. Re-engage the pistons so they're back on the rotors. Okay, next, another important thing. Whenever you do a brake job, always do the break-in procedure. Luckily, this box comes with instructions, so we don't have to look it up or guess, or, you know, always look at your manufacturer's instructions for it. So these are the instructions for these setups. Might be different from Brembo, but they're all generally the same. So I went through this before. This will be in the description for you guys to follow. Pretty much 5 aggressive decelerations from 40 to 10, and then 5 moderate decelerations, 35 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour, and then a cool down period of 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Number one thing too is to not brake. Okay, you don't want to imprint anything if you come to a full stop. There's smoke involved. There's some glaze that comes off, there's some oils, so that's part of the whole bedding procedure, right? So let's go ahead and do this. All right guys, so that is how we change the front brake pads and rotors on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT 392 Hemi. So that's pretty good. We use the powerstop Z26 brake kit. All the details about this kit is in the description and in the comments for you to check out and purchase yourself. You know, it was $1,000, can't go wrong. So check out another video and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.